Hi, welcome to the next show. In this video, I will show how to build and install Ubuntu Noble Kernel version 6.11 on Debian 12 Bookworm. So as you can see, I already built and installed the Debian package of the Linux kernel version 6.11. So first, you need to go to this web page. It's linked in the description. So scroll down, then you can see the Noble, Jamie and Focal. So we will choose the Noble. Then you can see below, you can click this link Noble. Then you can see the tag is V version 6.11. then remember its name v6.11. then open terminal and copy the web page address of this and then git clone that as step 1, then b version v6.11, then git url and press enter. It will git clone the in the Noble directory like this, as you can see. So now cd to the Noble directory, then make local mode config. This actually settings work for me. You can make the old config too, then you can also try. Then after this run the make menuconfig command, then you will see this, then general setup, then local version, enter, press enter. Then you have to write the name of your local kernel version, kernel compression mode to zip, then virtualization. You can enable kernel based virtual machine support, then save. You can save and further modify the kernel. For example, enable loadable module support. Then you can enable the support for paging memory, then wireless. You can enable or disable these modules. Then your graphics support, and you can enable the ATI graphics or AMD GPU, NVIDIA card, Intel graphics, or your virtual machine. You can enable the VirtualBox guest integration support, Ethernet driver support. You can enable the Ethernet, all of these, but it will take too much time. Virtue network driver, you need this for virtual machine. And you can enable the tune and tab for open VPN and other VPN services. Then save. Then security option, you have to disable this encrypted keys and trusted keys if you are compiling your on the Debian. Then save and exit. You can disable the trusted keys with the command line to open terminal. Then in this command, script config disable debug info, and debug info dwarf toolchain default. Then you need to run this command to script config that is disable debug info btf, then btf modules. Then another command, disable system devocation keys and system trusted keys. You are on Debian, so you need to run this command to disable module sig. After you done your modification, now run this command to build the kernel modules and Debian packages. Wait for me it took 15 minutes. you will see these three packages created: headers files, image file, and libc6 file. You will need to cd to the previous directory first, then sudo dpkg-i unix image, in the name of the image this file. You can press tab, then elix headers, install them. You can reboot, then you will see this UFI menu. If you are using EFI, then you will see this option. As you can see, 6.11.0 custom, as we give the name of the kernel append our local version. Login, then you can see, as you can see, I am running 6.11.0 at custom. So you need to check the internet is working or not. The Ethernet driver is working, so internet is working here. And open the another. You can mode probe the TUN module too. You can run this command sudo mode probe TUN. So no error, it loaded successfully. You can check further if internet is working or not. So that's it in the video. Like and subscribe. See you in the next video.